No frying, no boiling eggs, yet this egg curry is so delicious. Today we are preparing a traditional Bengali style steamed egg curry. The recipe is inspired by the Bhape Recipe of Thakur Barir Ranna, a cookbook written by Purnima Thakur. So let's get started. First, take 4 eggs in a mixing bowl and beat these eggs for a few seconds. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a little turmeric powder and whisk together till the egg mixture becomes light and airy. Next, adding finely chopped green chilies, onion cut into thin slices and little black pepper powder. Combine everything well and the egg mixture is ready to be steamed. Take a small tiffin box and brush ghee on the bottom and sides of the tiffin box. Now pour in the egg mixture and close the lid securely. To steam the eggs, pour about 1 cup of water into a karai and place a stand inside. Carefully place the tiffin box on the stand, cover the pan and steam on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the eggs are steaming, let's prepare the masala for the curry. In a bowl, take 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, 1 dry red chili and 1 Kashmiri red chili. Add a little water and soak them for about 10 minutes to soften the ingredients. Meanwhile, chop 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Transfer the soaked spices with the tomatoes into a grinder jar and blend into a smooth masala paste. By now, eggs should be perfectly steamed. Carefully remove the tiffin box and let it cool slightly before opening the lid. Eggs are rightly steamed now. Once it completely cools down, transfer it to a plate. Now gently cut the steamed egg into medium-sized cubes. To make the curry, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Add 1 onion roughly chopped and fry it until light brown in color. To expedite the frying process, add salt to taste and fry the onions for a few minutes more until it turns light brown in color. Add the prepared masala paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything well and cook the masala till the raw smell of the masala is gone. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala and mix everything well. Cover the pan and let the masala cook until the oil begins to separate. This is the key step to build the flavor. Once you see the oil releasing from the masala, add some chopped coriander leaves and keep aside the remaining for the final garnish. Stir and give a nice stir and fry the masala for some more time. Now add 500 ml of water and bring the gravy to a gentle boil. Once the gravy has come to a full boil, then add the egg cubes. Cover with a lid and cook on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. The egg cubes will absorb the gravy and will become soft and juicy. Finally, add a teaspoon of garam masala powder, give a gentle stir and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cover with a lid so that the aroma of garam masala gets infused in the curry. After 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid and switch off the heat. Thakur Barir style dim bhape, or this traditional Bengali style steamed egg curry is ready. Serve this egg curry hot with steamed rice and enjoy this delicious egg dish which is rooted in tradition and full of flavors. If you like this recipe, do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.